Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. Today I'm gonna share a cooking recipe with you all, which is nowadays one of my favorite recipe. So let's begin. So this is Romano beans. Nowadays I just love them. It looks similar to kidney beans, but this is different in taste. So here I have chopped tomato and a little ginger. So we'll begin with that. And you can add, it's totally depends on the person, like who wants what in there. So there's nothing like strict recipe. You can always alter it according to your taste. So here I have taken a little oil. I've taken olive oil. It's again your preference. And there are like cumin seeds, and here I have added salt, chili flakes and turmeric. I don't like many spices to add up. I just go with the basic, but it's again your choice. Like you can add whatever you want, but trust me, like it tastes so good with just the basics. So I have added up everything, and I'll just add some water. And I'll cover the lid for like 2 to 3 minutes. And meanwhile, I'll just chop some coriander leaves. I like the coriander leaves and the freshness of it. So I'll just add those up. Yeah, like as I said, like it totally depends on the person's likes, dislikes. So it's totally your preference. What you want to add up. Some people like to add onion, chopped onion, so you can do that. There's no like hard and fast rule. I just go with whatever I like. So, and this is one of the healthiest recipe. And like just the basic. So I'm gonna have it with this is gluten-free tortillas. So I'll just roast them up a little so that it's properly cooked. I don't like eating raw, so I just toast it over the pan and cover the raw areas to make them a little brownish, so that it shows that it's cooked, it's not raw anymore. So yeah, I'm just flipping it over to make it like even cooked. So this will be our final product. Hope you all like the recipe, and it's just so quick to make it in lunch or dinner, whatever you prefer. Hope you all liked it and you'll try it soon. Thank you.